Good morning, student. Today we are going to start chapter number 2 of civics, role of government in health. Now, what are the duties by government to give us for the health condition? Now, we are starting this chapter. The beginning in the chapter is what written. In a democracy, people expect government to work for their welfare. This could be through the provision of education, health, employment, housing, or development of road, electricity, etc. In this chapter, we shall examine meaning and problems related to the health. Now, what is health? We can think that health in many ways. Health means our ability to remain free from illness and injuries. But health isn't it only about the diseases. Now, for example, if people get clean drinking water or a pollution-free environment, they are likely to be healthy. On the other hand, if people do not get educated food to eat or to have to live in a bad condition, they are going to be ill. Okay, so the main agenda for the health is the society we are living in has the cleanest thing. The environment should be clean, the water should be clean, the drainage are proper, the sanitization will have to be there. That's how we can be healthy. Okay. In order to provide treat illness, we need to appropriate healthcare facility such as health center, hospital, laboratories for testing, ambulance service, blood banks, etc. Like right now we are facing the corona problem. So what the government is doing, government is trying to make the vaccine. They are providing healthcare facilities, they are providing free health checkup and all na, like this we are doing. In this chapter, we are also listening to one story about the cost of a cure, where two friends were there, Aman and Rajan. Uh, while Aman was a poor person, coming from a poor family, whereas Rajan coming from a very well educated or well developed family. So, what is the difference between them? If a poor person will go to the hospital, he has to go to the government hospital, and the second one will go to the private one because they have money to spend. And how they are going to provide the facilities in government and private hospital, we are going to read in the story. So you have to read the story and you have to find out what is the story is all about. Moving on to the next topic, there are public and private healthcare. We all know public healthcare are the government hospital, which is run by the government. They link together, the government and hospital link together so that they cover both rural and urban areas and can also provide treatment to all kind of problems from common illness to special services. Large cities have many government hospitals, such as one where Aman was taken, and also specialized government hospital, such as the one where Hakim's six story related to. Okay, now moving on to private health facilities, there is a wide range of private health facilities that exist in our country. A large number of doctors run their own private clinics. In a rural areas, one find RMPS. Urban areas have large number of doctors, many providing specialized services. There are hospitals, there are nursing homes are privately owned, and there are many laboratory to do tests and offer special facilities like X-ray, ultrasound. There are also shops from where we can buy medicine which cost more and are basically for rich people. They can't afford by the poor people because the fee of these treatments are very costly. ठीक है, healthcare and equality. This is the next topic. In India, we face a situation where private service are increasing but public service are not. What is then available to people are mainly private service. These are concentrated in urban areas. The cost of these services is rather high. Medicines are expensive, and many people cannot afford them or have to borrow money when they are illness in the families. Okay, now how we can cure this? There are a little doubt that here health situation on most people in our country is not good. It is the responsibility of the government to provide quality healthcare service for all citizens, especially the poor and the disadvantaged. Okay, however, the health is a much dependent on the basic of social condition of the people as it on the healthcare service. Hence, it is important to work on both the order to improve health situation of the people. Okay, the next few example they have given the Kerala experience. In 1996, the Kerala government made some major changes in the state. 40% of the entire state budget was given to the panchayat. They could plan and provide their requirements. This made possible for the village to make sure that the proper planning was done for water, food, women's development, and education. This means that the water supply scheme was checked, the working of the school and Anganwadis was ensured by the specific problem of the village is taken up. Health centers also improved. Okay, and one of other example is given for Costa Rica approach. Costa Rica is a country in Central America. The main reason Costa Rica took a very important decision and decided not to have an army. They don't have the army. This helped the Costa Rica government to spend the money that the army would have used on health, education, and other basic need of the people. The Costa Rica government believes that the country has to be healthy for its development and pay a lot of attention for the health of its people. The Costa Rica government provides basic services. For example, it provides safe drinking water, sanitation, nutrition, and housing. Health education is also considers very important, and knowledge about health is an essential part of education at every level. There is one quotation also given. An important part of constitution says it is the duty of the state to raise the level of nutrition and the standard of living and to improve the public health. So this chapter is all about public health and what government provide us and what we have to do and what is public and private health care, and there is a story also. So read the story and find out the what is the exact meaning of health. Thank you.